Take fresh page on the top keep heading. Chapter 3, Factors and Multiples. Yes. Chapter 3. Yes. Chapter 3. Chapter 3, Factors and Multiples. Chapter 3, Factors and Multiples. Yes. Yes, students. Now I'm going to start chapter 3, Factors and Multiples. Before that, I want to explain about what is prime number and what is composite number. Today's concept is how to find prime number and how to find composite number. Listen carefully, everyone. Then after that, I will explain what is factor, how to find prime factor, what is multiple, how to find multiple. Okay. Firstly, I want to explain about what is prime number. Listen carefully, everyone. What is prime number? Prime number are those number which have exactly two factors, that is one and itself. What is prime number? Prime numbers are those number which have exactly two factors, that is one and itself. What is prime number? Prime number are those number which have exactly two factors, that is one and itself. Don't write, listen carefully. Suppose I am writing here digit is 2. 2 has exactly two factors. 2 is coming one table and two table. Or we can say 3. 3 is coming one table and three table. 4. 4 is coming one table, two table and four table. This is not prime number. Prime number definition is that prime number are those number which have exactly two factors. Exactly two factors means here 1 and 3, 1 and 2. But here 1, 2, 3 is coming. That's why this is not a prime number. Then 4 is what? Composite number. The number which have more than two factor, that is called composite number. Now tell me students, what is the meaning of 1? 1 is prime number or composite number? 1 is prime number or composite number? I want to ask, 1 is prime number. Yeah. Now some student they told 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. I told I want proof. Then what is proof? Proof is very easy. Very easy proof is there. Listen carefully. Yeah. Suppose 1, I can write 1 is equal to 1 into 1. Listen carefully everyone. 1 is equal to 1 into 1. Here exactly two factor. Again I am writing 1 is equal to 1 into 1 into 1, more than 2 factor, more than 2 factor, exactly 2 factor, more than 2 factor. I can write 1 is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1, infinite. What answer will come? 1. You are observing, students? 1 is not fixed. 1 is Congress. Okay? 1 is going in other party. Here also 1 is going. Here also 1 is going. Means 1 is not fixed. 1 is going anywhere. If I am saying exactly 2 factor, then am I saying more than 2 factor also is there? More than infinite factor also is there. Means one value is not fixed. I can write 1 is equal to 1 into 2. This is prime. I can say this is prime number. Again, I am writing 1 is equal to 1 into 1 into 1 more than 2 factor, composite number. First prime number, second composite number. I am writing 1 into 1 infinite time will write 1 will come. Means the character of 1 is not fixed. The value of 1 is not fixed. He is going anywhere. He want to join here also, he want to join here also, and he want to join here also. That's why 1 is not fixed. That's why we can say, bhaiya, you are alone, you can go anywhere. That's why 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Understood, everyone? Got it? Because here 1 is equal to 1 into 1, 2 factor is there, exactly 2 means prime number. Here more than 2 composite number. 1 is value is changing. He is saying one time 1 into 1 I want to be, second time he is saying I want to be 1 into 1 into 1, more than 2, third time it is coming more 1. That's why one value is not fixed. That's why we are saying 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. With the help of examples you can prove yes, this is the example. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. I hope you got it, students. Got it? Right. Now let's start keep adding, everyone. Prime number. Left side keep adding, everyone. Prime number. Prime numbers are those numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers prime numbers are those numbers prime number are those numbers which have exactly two factors, which have exactly two factors, that is, i.e., that is 1 and itself. 1 and itself. What is prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which have exactly two factors. In other way, I can say prime number are those number that number will come in one table and same table. This is second way. Prime number are those number that number will come in one table and same table. Example, first. Yeah, 2 is prime number. Yes. Why? Because I can say 2 is coming one table and two table. 3 is prime number. Yes. 3 is coming one table and three table. Exactly 2. 4 is prime number. One table, two table, four table. No, more than 2 is coming. 5 is prime number. Yes. 5 is coming one table and five table. Next key fading, everyone. What's up, Marishta? You are raising hand. Yeah. 6 is prime number. No. 6 will come 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, and 6 table. Second key fading, composite number. Second key fading, composite number. Composite numbers are those numbers. Composite numbers are those numbers composite numbers are those numbers which have more than 2 factors. Which have more than 2 factors. Example, first example, 4. 4 is coming 1 table, 2 table, and 4 table. Next, 5. 1 table, 5 table. This is not a composite number. 6. 1 table, 2 table, 3 table, and 6 table. Right. 7. 1 table, 7 table, prime number. 8. 1 table, 2 table, 4 table, 8 table. Means the numbers which have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. First star points. First star points. 1 is neither prime number. 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Nor composite number. Write down explanation also. How we are saying 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. 1 is equal to 1. 1 is equal to 1 into 1. 1 is equal to 1 into 1 into 1. 1 is equal to 1 into 1 into n times. Answer will come what? 1. Now I am going to start my actual chapter. Keep heading left side. Factor. Keep heading factor. Keep heading everyone. Factor. Again, I want to discuss so many concepts here. Concentrate everyone here. Now I am going to explain about factor and prime factor. What is the main difference between factor and prime factor? Concentrate everyone. Don't try it. Listen carefully first. Right. One side I am writing factor. Second side I am writing prime factor. Concentrate everyone. Suppose I am writing example. Neha has given example 4. Okay. 4. Listen carefully. I have taken example 4. Now 4 I can write factor of 4. 4 will come 1 table, 2 table and 4 table. Okay. This is factor of 4. 4 is coming 1 table, 2 table and 4 table. Then what is the meaning of prime factor? Prime factor is very easy. I can write 4 is equal to 1 into 2 into 2. Now tell me students, what is difference between these two? If I am talking about prime factor, this number will never include. If I am talking about prime factor, this number will never include. But if I am talking about factor, this number will always include. Are you getting my point, students? This is the main difference between factor and prime factor. If I am talking about factor, that number will come at the last. But if I am talking about prime factor, that number will never come at the last. Are you getting my point, students? Sanjana, are you getting my point? Again, listen. If I am talking about factor, that number will include at the last. But if I am talking about prime factor, that number will never come at the last. This is the main difference between factor and prime factor. Now keep adding everyone. Left side factor. Number we can multiply together. Number we can multiply together. Number we can multiply. Number we can multiply together. Number we can multiply together to get another number. To get another number. But another number is what? That original number. Another number is nothing but original number. On the bracket note down original number. Example. Find the factor of 6. Find the factor of 6. Find the factor of 6. Solution. If I want to find out factor of 6, I will check 6 is coming in which table. Factor of 6 is equal to factor of 6 is equal to 6 will come in 1 table, 2 table, 3 table and 6 table. Example 2, find the factor of 12. Example 2, find the factor of 12. Find the factor of 12. Solution. Solution. Factor of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Now keep heading everyone. Prime factorization. Prime factorization. Prime factorization. Prime factorization is finding prime factorization is finding prime factorization is finding prime factorization is finding which prime numbers which prime numbers which prime numbers multiply together which prime numbers multiply together to make the original number. To make the original number. To make the original number. Example first. Find the prime factor of 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 20. Find the prime factor of 20. Solution. I want to find out prime factor of 20. Now I want to check. I want to find out LCM of 20. What is the meaning of LCM? Least common multiple. Don't directly divide by 5. Don't directly divide by 5. Least means firstly we need to divide by least number. Least number is what? 2. 2 tens are 20. 2 fives are 10. And 5 ones are 5. Some students are there, what they are doing?